From vacant to valuable, our favorite turnaround project at Venus Venture, we specialize in unlocking hidden value, and nothing showcases that better than our favorite turnaround project to date. What started as a vacant, neglected building in a forgotten part of town quickly became one of our most successful value-add investments. This is the story of how we transformed a troubled asset into a thriving, income-generating property, and how strategic vision, careful planning, and hands-on execution turned challenge into opportunity. The property, a forgotten gem. The property was a 12-unit multifamily building located in a transitional neighborhood on the edge of a growing metro area. On paper, it looked like a risk, 100% vacant, years of deferred maintenance, dated interiors and exteriors, no recent upgrades, uninvolved absentee owner. But we saw what others didn't: location potential, structural soundness, and a path to repositioning that could deliver strong cash flow and long-term appreciation. The acquisition. Thanks to our broker relationships, we were able to secure the property off-market at 30% below comparable sales. The seller was motivated, tired of managing the property from out of state, and willing to close fast. We conducted intensive due diligence, inspecting plumbing, electrical, foundation, and zoning, and confirmed that while the building needed work, the bones were solid. It was a classic diamond in the rough. The turnaround plan. Our business plan had three main phases. 1. Renovation and repositioning. We invested roughly $450,000 into full interior remodels, new flooring, appliances, cabinets, lighting, and bathrooms, exterior upgrades, new paint, roof repair, landscaping, signage, and security lighting, utility modernization, plumbing updates, and individual metering for tenants. This not only raised the aesthetic and functional value of the property, but also reduced long-term maintenance costs. 2. Leasing strategy. We partnered with a local property management firm to market the units to working professionals and small families, offer move-in incentives for early leases, set competitive rents with gradual increases planned. All 12 units were leased within 90 days of renovation completion, at 22% higher rents than originally projected. 3. Stabilization and refinancing. Once stabilized, we refinanced the property based on the new NOI and appraised value, which had increased by over 60% from purchase. The cash-out refinance returned over 80% of our initial capital, which we redeployed into our next project. The results. Here's a snapshot of the financial outcome. Purchase price, $960,000. Renovation cost, $450,000. All-in basis, $1,410,000. Appraised value post-renovation, $2,250,000. Annual NOI, stabilized, $165,000. Cap rate on cost, ~11.7% IRR, 5-year projection, 21% plus. This project didn't just beat expectations. It became a blueprint for future Venus Venture projects. What made it work? The key to success wasn't luck. It was our process. Disciplined underwriting to identify hidden value, hands-on renovation oversight to control costs and timelines, proactive leasing strategy to stabilize quickly, creative financing to maximize returns and reduce capital lockup. We took a forgotten, underperforming asset and made it a cornerstone of the neighborhood's revitalization, delivering strong returns for our investors while improving local housing stock. Final thoughts: turnaround. Projects like this are what Venus Venture was built for. We don't chase the obvious deals, we create value where others see risk. From neglected to needed, from vacant to valuable. This is how we turn potential into performance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or looking to diversify into real estate, projects like these show what's possible when you combine vision, experience, and execution. Ready to explore your next high-potential opportunity? Join us.